This podcast is completely narrated by an artificial intelligence-generated voice. It is brought to you by EOSys Private Limited. EOSys is a leading custom application development company in India. For more interesting podcasts and blogs like this, visit www.eosys.com/blog or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Without wasting any time, let's get started. When you step into the world of online business, you come across CMS like WordPress, Shopify, Joomla, and more. But as the current market of CMS is so saturated, finding the right fit for your business becomes a laborious task. However, in today's podcast, we will be addressing one of the top contenders in the global CMS market that empowers almost 39.5% of all websites. As you might have guessed, it's WordPress. If you are willing to start an online e-commerce platform, blog, personal website, or almost any kind of website, WordPress is the way to go. But what's the reason behind the popularity of WordPress? The two things that set WordPress apart from any other CMS are free of cost and ease of operation. Almost everyone can operate WordPress websites. Yes, you don't have to be a tech-savvy person with a basic understanding of the platform. So, if you are haunted by the daunting question of why use WordPress, you are on the right spot. This podcast will take you through the nitty-gritty of WordPress and also highlight all the top advantages of WordPress. Advantage number 1: Open Source CMS. Being an open source CMS, WordPress allows everyone to modify and enhance its source code. In simple terms, WordPress is updated regularly by developers across the globe to ensure the smooth functioning of the software. Whenever a new version of WordPress is available, it appears in the dashboard section of the backend admin panel. Users can download the latest version with just one click. Advantage number 2: Easy to set up. Installing WordPress is just a one-click process. Almost all the major web hosts provide the option of installing WordPress within a few clicks. Even if you are not a web designer, programmer, or experienced CMS user, you can still build a professional website through WordPress. WordPress has the most intuitive interface. You can simply log into your dashboard and get started to create your website. It gives you full freedom to try out different templates, themes, designs, change panels, and attempt to bring more vitality to your website. You can browse through the massive gallery of themes and designs on WordPress and customize it as per your needs. Within minimum efforts, your professional-looking website will be all set to go live. Advantage number 3: Search Engine Optimization (SEO). WordPress rules the heart of search engines with its simple and clean coding. It helps the bots to easily crawl and index your website on the search engine. If you are an online business or a blog, SEO can get your website huge organic traffic if all the strategies are implemented properly. Also, with sound SEO techniques, your website can acquire good domain authority, earn credibility in your field, and generate quality leads. To enhance the SEO appeal of your website, you can install plugins such as Yoast, Rank Math, and many more on WordPress. SEO-optimized blog posts are one of the best ways to generate organic leads. In fact, websites with blogs have a 97% chance of generating inbound leads. Also, with WordPress, you can even optimize each page of your website specifically for getting higher rankings on a SERP. If you are looking to boost your visibility on search engines, you must check out our SEO services. We have helped several clients achieve page 1 rankings on Google. Advantage number 4: Freedom to install plenty of plugins. In a nutshell, plugins are chunks of software that can extend or expand your WordPress website's functionality. There are more than 60,000 official plugins available for WordPress. Imagine plugins to be apps available on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Suppose you want to take surveys from people for your product. You can do this easily by searching for a relevant plugin on WordPress and simply installing it on your site in one click. Similarly, if you want to expand your email list, you can integrate tools like Constant Contact or Sendinblue into your WordPress website for building your email list. In this way, WordPress gives you the complete freedom to install an array of plugins to modify your website. With the right set of plugins, you can create a professional-looking website and improve your SEO ranking further. You can even integrate social media links, send push notifications to your users, gather metrics of your website, and do many more things. Advantage number 5. Responsive designs. The number of smartphone users overshadows laptop, computer, or tablet users. If you own an e-commerce store, chances are most of your customers are mobile users. But if your website fails to work efficiently on mobile and other similar devices, you can lose a huge chunk of your audience and your online store can deteriorate in the long run. Thus, ensuring a smooth operation of your website on different devices is essential for winning the online business game. Here is some good news for you. WordPress saves you from putting extra effort and capital to create different websites for different devices. On WordPress, you can simply create responsive websites and ensure that it works smoothly on a wide range of devices. Furthermore, to enhance the responsiveness of your website, you can also take the help of plugins like WPTouch, Smush, Jetpack, Hummingbird, and more. Advantage number 6. Speed and efficiency. The websites which load faster have lesser chances of getting high bounce rates. Even Google advises the websites to load at least in half a second and at the most in 2 seconds. Though WordPress is not necessarily the best software in terms of speed, it is still head and shoulders above the others. With WordPress, you can dramatically increase your site loading speeds by implementing a few excellent strategies. By installing cache plugins such as WP Fastest Cache and WP Rocket, you can change your website's loading speed. You can even use CDNs for the same purpose. Moreover, you can implement best SEO practices, optimize images, improve server response time, and reduce redirects to increase your website's loading speed. Advantage number 7. Easier to scale. WordPress makes scaling your business a subtle process. One of the most amazing benefits of using WordPress websites is it grows as your business expands. The wonderful capacity of WordPress websites lets you add countless pages, blogs, and catalogs without compromising a bit on your site's performance. WordPress plugin WooCommerce lets you turn your website into a full-fledged online store. By integrating WooCommerce, you can create a professional e-commerce store, display catalogs of your products, set payment systems, and take full control of your business. Moreover, you can even set up SMS and email marketing systems to further enhance your business's reach. Advantage number 8. Top-notch social media integration. If your business's target audience hangs out on social media sites, integrating social channels on your website can be a traffic-driving and time-saving strategy. WordPress lets you integrate social channels on your website. By doing this, your customers can easily view the content published on social media by the company without having to log into each one of them. Advantage number 9. High level of security. Though no software is completely free from security issues, WordPress creates fewer security problems than any other CMS. To ensure the security of your website, you can implement certain strategies such as regular website backups. Moreover, you can even install plugins like WordFence, Sucuri Scanner, and more to keep a check on your website. Advantage number 10. Affordable. WordPress is the most cost-effective CMS in the market. Installing and using WordPress is completely free. However, there are some additional optional costs if you opt for paid themes or certain plugins. Overall, even after using paid WordPress themes and plugins, you can keep your expenditure within $100. Advantage number 11. Highly customizable. Customizing a WordPress website as per your business's needs is simple and effective. As WordPress offers a plethora of themes, users can easily purchase and modify them as per their choice. Also, most of the premium themes on WordPress come with detailed documentation and preset layout to fit in numerous cases. With a bit of technical knowledge, you'll be well on your way to creating a unique and customized website for your business. However, if you need professional help, you can always hire web designers to design your website. Conclusion. Are you finding out the most suitable platform for your website? Check out our WordPress website development service or get on a consultation call with our technical experts by clicking on the link in the description.